This is NDTV, and you are watching NDTV Prime.
From the teachers who shape our students to the institutions that nurture young minds,
Special awards for those working to bring in real change.
we're honoring the finest in the Indian education sector.
In education technology today, you can literally create a classroom for every child.
EduComp NDTV Education Excellence Awards 2016, powered by Yonex Surprise.
The winners are not winners of that school. That's my message. They are winners because they are principals of children. But I will say this, that each and every single individual who was part of the jury looked very, very carefully and with great consideration at all aspects of all the applications. That was so very, very good.
The expectations of society from a school have changed. 10 years back, you only had to be good in academics. Today, not only academics, you have to be good in sports, you have to be good in co-curricular activities.
किसी व्यक्ति को खड़ा करने में, समाज को, देश को खड़ा करने में सबसे पहले हैं, तो मैं यही कहूँगा कि एजुकेशन, एजुकेशन एंड एजुकेशन.
I believe that schools today are beginning to change. They're beginning to understand the value of the arts and creativity as well, and the fact that we have to be innovative.
And I'm very happy there are so many new schools, new colleges all over the country. And also it has become an industry now.
Good evening. It was class 9. We leave the year out for now. I was an awkward teenager, like so many my age. Coupled with it, I was too tall, too large, with too little or make that barely any self-confidence. Oh, and I had the most intense stage fright. Yet that year, at the school's annual play, I performed a key role. And the ovation that we got that night will certainly make it to chapter 1 of my autobiography if it ever sees the light of day. And a special mention will be reserved for Mrs. Lalit Mathur, my English teacher, who wove her magic and told me I could long before Barack Obama caught on to a similar phrase. This is the impact of teachers and institutions on so many of us. But ask most people who has influenced them greatly, and teachers usually figure prominently on that list. Which is why it's such a great honor for us at NDTV to have all of you here this evening. For a while now, we've been talking about the need to honor those institutions and individuals who are working to open a whole new enlightened world to generation after generation of Indians. Those who've given their best years to educating India. Those who've inspired and ignited the minds of millions. We were fortunate to have a founding partner in EduComp who shared this vision of ours and joined us as we set out to honor excellence. Thank you. This evening came together on the back of your support and others who joined us on this journey. Now, education has special significance for us at NDTV, and I'd like to call upon Mr. Rao now, Executive Chairperson and Group CEO of NDTV, for more on that. Mr. Rao.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the NDTV Education Awards, which NDTV is proudly conducting tonight. The awards this evening are a culmination of a comprehensive assessment and performance review of various key stakeholders in education by a very eminent jury known for their immense contribution to education. I'd like to thank EduComp for their association, and may the best win. Thank you.
Thanks very much, Mr. Rao. Right, so let's get started. We begin this evening with special awards for those working to bring in real change. Change where many would argue that it is needed the most. those who are working tirelessly, often selflessly as well. Before I introduce those we are calling change makers tonight, I'd like to call upon the Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi and also our Education Minister, Mr. Manish Sisodia, also my colleague, Ravish Kumar. If both of you could please come here.
Thank you.
Manish ji, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ, we are in the middle of this high decibel election campaign. बहुत कुछ बातें हो रही है, of course, not surprisingly, note ban is figuring very prominently. You are among the few still talking about education. In Punjab, you said कि education के basis पे vote देना चाहिए, not flyover construction. But आपकी जो नेताओं की बिरादरी है, उसमें you might be an exception. How frustrating is it for you as a politician to not get others to join the chorus and not make education a platform on which people seek votes?
नहीं, अगर फ्लाईओवर की ज़रूरत है और फ्लाईओवर ईमानदारी से कंस्ट्रक्ट कर दिया जाए तो उस पर भी वोट देना चाहिए. लेकिन मैं ऐसा सोचता हूँ और पिछले 2 साल के दौरान मेरा विश्वास हो गया है कि एक दिन इस देश में ऐसा आएगा जब धर्म, जाति, क्षेत्र, इन सब वादों से ऊपर उठ के हम एजुकेशन वाद पे चुनाव लड़ेंगे. तो मैं 2 साल के अनुभव के आधार पे कह सकता हूँ कि बहुत जल्द वो दिन आएगा जब इस देश में चुनाव एजुकेशन को लेके होंगे, एजुकेशन के काम को लेके होंगे, एजुकेशन की सोच को लेके होंगे.
तो कोई शिक्षा मंत्री मुख्यमंत्री बन सकता है?
नहीं, जब शिक्षा मंत्री उप मुख्यमंत्री हो तो
और शिक्षा मंत्री अच्छा काम करेगा तो वो मुख्यमंत्री क्यों नहीं बन सकता?
नहीं, फिर शिक्षा मंत्री ही रहना चाहिए उसको. ऐसा फिर गड़बड़ हो जाएगा, फिर शिक्षा मंत्री कोई और बन जाएगा और फिर कुछ गड़बड़ करने लगेगा तो ठीक नहीं है ना.
मनीष जी, मेरा एक क्विक सा सवाल है, क्योंकि आज जब न्यूज़ रूम में लोगों को पता चला कि आप आ रहे हैं, उनका एक ही सवाल था कि ये नर्सरी एडमिशन्स को लेके कब कोई क्लैरिटी आएगी. कल हाई कोर्ट ने भी बोल दिया है, तो व्हाट इज़ द रोड अहेड? बिकॉज हर साल जिस पेरेंट्स को नर्सरी एडमिशन कराना होता है, दे रियली गो थ्रू अ नाइटमेयर. उनको पता ही नहीं चलता कि कौन सा रूल है, इस साल क्या बदल रहा है.
देखिए, प्राइवेट स्कूल्स ने, आपने भी कहा कि बहुत कुछ देश में बहुत अच्छे प्राइवेट स्कूल्स हैं, उनके कंट्रीब्यूशन को रेस्पेक्ट करते हुए मैं कहना चाहता हूं कि मेरी प्राइवेट स्कूलों से एक ही शिकायत है या डिमांड है कि साहब अपना एडमिशन प्रोसेस ट्रांसपेरेंट कर लीजिए और फीस का सिस्टम ट्रांसपेरेंट कर लीजिए. बाकी आपको जैसे पढ़ाना है, बहुत बढ़िया पढ़ा रहे हैं. वहाँ हमारा झगड़ा रहता है. इसी को लेके वो लोग कोर्ट गए थे. पेरेंट्स के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत, मैं पेरेंट्स की सुविधा के लिए कर रहा हूँ ये, ताकि उनको प्रॉब्लम ना हो, ताकि उनको आसानी से एडमिशन मिल सके. हम जाएंगे, हम डबल बेंच में जाएंगे, हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट में भी जाएंगे और सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने उसी तरह के एक फैसले में हमको पहले से राहत दी हुई है, हमारा साथ दिया हुआ है, हमारे पक्ष में फैसला दिया हुआ है. मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट से वहाँ पक्ष में, लेकिन
तो
कल इस सेशन से जो रूटीन एडमिशन प्रोसेस था शायद वही चलेगा.
दैट विल ऑफ कोर्स कम एज रिलीफ टू ऑल दोस पेरेंट्स. आप लोग एक मिनट रुकिए, क्योंकि हम अपना वी वांट टू इंट्रोड्यूस आवर फर्स्ट चेंज मेकर नाउ. अ कॉलेज ड्रॉप आउट हु कुड नॉट स्टडी फर्दर बिकॉज हिज फैमिली कुड नॉट अफोर्ड इट. ही वांटेड टू बिकम एन इंजीनियर. That didn't happen, but he has ensured that hundreds of others don't have to give up on their dreams like he did. Rajesh Kumar Sharma teaches children of migrants, of laborers under a flyover in Delhi, supplementing their school classes and doing his crucial bit for their future. Rajesh Kumar Sharma ji, please. एक सवाल आपसे राजेश जी, आपके सामने प्रॉब्लम्स तो बहुत आए होंगे, चुनौतियां तो बहुत आई होंगी. उन फ्लाईओवर्स के नीचे बच्चों को तो हम सब ने देखा है, लेकिन यू डिसाइडेड टू डू समथिंग अबाउट इट. आपने फैसला किया कि आप इस बारे में कुछ करेंगे.
सन 2006 में मैंने किसी पेड़ के नीचे बैठ करके, जगह भी नहीं थी मेरे पास में कोई भी. अब ये तो सन 2010 में मैं फ्लाईओवर के नीचे आकर के बैठ करके पढ़ाना शुरू किया है, क्योंकि ऊपर छत हम बना नहीं सकते हैं. मेट्रो चल रही है, सोचा कि 10-20 साल का तो मेट्रो का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है, कम से कम उसके नीचे बैठ करके बच्चे पढ़ सकते हैं, धूप से बच सकते हैं, बारिश से बच सकते हैं. आज भी कोई छत वगैरह नहीं है वहाँ पर. बस इसी तरीके से संघर्ष ही जीवन है, संघर्ष करते जाओ, आगे बढ़ते जाओगे, आपका कोई कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ सकता है.
Commendable. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. Our second change maker is a geography teacher at the Rajkiya Pratibha Vikas Vidyalaya. She doesn't believe in rote learning, she says, but real-life learning. Again, her students are those who perhaps don't have the very best opportunities or access to technology. But they say that she has influenced them to such an extent that at least 2 of them have decided to teach. So impressed they are by her example. If I could please call upon Mrs. Neeja Lamba, ma'am, please. Ma'am, when we spoke to some of your students, they said that you were like a friend to them. How do you manage to do that? Because there are still, we're still, I feel sometimes confused on how far a teacher should go, how friendly. You should be friendly, but not a friend. But all your students said she was like a friend.
If you're a mother to the children, definitely they are very close to you. They come out with their problems, and when they come out with their problems, it's very easy to teach them. Basically, we don't have to teach them. It is just an interaction which I do with them.
Right, great. Thank you very much, ma'am, and many congratulations. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, Ramesh.